Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Polkadot daily update. We are going to see next price targets, where are we going, what do we need to do in order to get higher. We will answer all of these questions. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with an automated and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins, but it doesn't stop there. You will also get market updates, educational videos, personal guidance every day, random giveaways, and many more benefits. Use the link and cancel anytime you like in the description box. You can also join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's go and proceed right now quickly onto the dot. You can see right here, what do we have? We have a resistance level around this area. Okay, it is the last resistance level before we go even higher into the 42 around there, Tether USD. We will analyze every detail, do not worry. Right now we found resistance on the 37.47 around there, 37.50. Anyway, we have a little bit of a support level right here in which we do not want to get down, especially from this one right there, from this support level that we have right there, not the second one, this one. And I will put a price label on so you can see 35 Tether USD. We do not want to get down from that. Apart from it, we are absolutely fine, and this is the last resistance level. I will explain why in the price analysis. You can go in if you want to save some time into the price analysis. I have the timestamps, but anyway, the MACD right now is having some higher lows, higher highs. It is struggling a little bit right here on the top to reach and go higher than the 2nd October, the top right there, and we want to see DOT going even higher. Let's go now to the 4-hour frame on the risk metrics. We had an overbought situation, extreme overbought on the dot, and what we need to do right now, keep higher low pattern and go even higher above the 70 again. If we do that, then it's all over. We are going upwards for sure to our next price targets, and you can see that we have an extreme overbought situation right now. The cut isn't it's a little bit sad actually, but at the same time it's happy, so I will make just a little bit of a smile. You can see here by the action of the Fisher transform right there, because we are in an overbought situation. We would love to see DOT getting above the previous resistance we had. On the daily frame though, we are still pretty fine. You can see that the RSI is not above the 70, and it has stopped maybe now. After seeing the RSI pattern, it has stopped the lower low, lower high pattern. You can see here we had a lower high and the lower low. Okay, you can see the lower low pattern. Right now we had a double bottom, and from there we went all the way upwards. This is what happens, and on the daily frame we are absolutely fine. Do not worry about the daily commodity channel index, daily stochastic RSI as well. Yeah, we might be having a little bit of a correction, but anyway, we are looking good. We are looking still fine. Found buying pressure on the 50-day MA right here on 6 October. It was the start of a bullish run right there for DOT. Okay, so you can see right now, if I open the SSL hybrid, probably we will be having a buying opportunity, and we had a buying opportunity here, not a selling opportunity yet. Buying opportunity on 3rd September, not a selling opportunity there yet. Fantastic stuff right there for DOT. Let's go to DOT Bitcoin chart. Here things are way different than the USDT chart, and you will notice that we are not even close to the DOT USDT chart. But why then we are going upwards? DOT against Bitcoin is correcting, you can see, but because Bitcoin has gone so much above, we do not need a very good buying pressure right there. We are pretty fine, even if we have a little bit of a buying pressure. Okay, so we just need one more step right here to reach the 0.618, and then we can go even higher to the 42 Tether USD. I think it was the price prediction. Yeah, I think it was 42 Tether USD. Yeah, okay, so we can go to the 0.618, and then we will be going easily, and you can see how far we are from the previous high for DOT. Every single altcoin is correcting against Bitcoin. Not every actually, but you know what I mean. The main altcoins are correcting because Bitcoin right now has the dominance. Okay, and that's why you are seeing this action right here, lower highs and lower lows. Eventually what we need to do right now is, after this small correction that we will have, to go even higher for DOT against Bitcoin chart. On the daily frame we are not so good as well. You can see that However, what we need to have right now is not to continue going down. You can see that on the daily Bitcoin chart, we do not want to go all the way down into the 30. We want to have a nice swing high. One last swing high will be very, very easy to achieve. And of course, we will be getting higher. Let's see if we had, according to the SSL hybrid, a buying opportunity. Yes, we had here a buying opportunity. Let's see how this will play out and if we can go for DOT Bitcoin chart even higher. And we can go now to the DOT USDT, and you can see right here DOT USDT is falling down. And why this happens? Because we are correcting right now. We had this bearish engulfing candlestick right there, and we are correcting a little bit. You can see that right now against Bitcoin. That is why you are seeing DOT getting even lower, and this was our last resistance level before we could get even higher, 37.42. You can see where the body of the candlesticks closed a little bit now on the 14th actually September, and you can see 14th September to 15th we had almost this price. We went even higher, but we couldn't close above the 37.44 around there, and right now we found huge sell pressure. Last step before we go. So what you should do, you should be going above the 37.42 in order to get even higher onto the next price target, the 42 Tether USD. We might be getting to the 44. We have the 45 as well, Tether USD for Polkadot. And of course, this is the last resistance level before we can make it. Can we make it? Very, very possible to do that. Do not worry about this correction. It happens every time. You can see that back then on the 4-hour frame, corrected. 4-hour frame corrected, but at the same time, if you want to minimize the risk, we need to close above the 37.44. okay, so we need to step above there, and then you can get a very nice swing high of around 11-12% or maybe even more. All right, so therefore our first target, the 41.91, around there, 41.90, let's say 42, is very, very achievable, and we can go there. But what we need for DOT right now is to complete the last step before we get into the next target, the 37.42 Tether USD. As for Bitcoin right here, you can see it's correcting a little bit. DOT against Bitcoin is correcting more, therefore that's why you are seeing DOT getting even lower than Bitcoin's correction. We have a little bit of a correction, not something important right here for Bitcoin, of course, and you can see that the stochastic RSI is getting a little bit of a higher lows along with the price. So we are able to go to the 57 to 58,000 Tether USD, our next target for Bitcoin, and this will help DOT more. Okay, we just need one more step for DOT against the Bitcoin chart to go even higher. And of course, to learn all of this, do not forget to join the monthly subscription, and you will have easy profits. I can assure you that. And buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto is the link in the description box. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Bye.